What is dynamic pricing? Dynamic pricing in hotels is a strategy used to improve revenue and ensure maximum occupancy for the hotel based on supply and demand. It is also known as time-based pricing due to the fact that these prices are manipulated in real time based on algorithms. Let's understand how to set up dynamic pricing for your available rooms. First, we will open our extranet. Then we will go to the setup option in our account and we will select dynamic pricing setup. Clicking on Add Rules. We will choose the date range for which we want to apply the dynamic pricing and add the relevant details, indicating the percentage by which we want to increase the price of the remaining available rooms. For example, let's say we have a total inventory of 100 rooms, and 90 of them have already been sold at 5,000 rupees per night. If we want to increase the price of the remaining 10 available rooms, we can indicate a 20% increase in price in a dynamic pricing setup. Once done, the prices of the remaining rooms will automatically increase to 6,000. Select the room type for which we want to set up the dynamic pricing. Once we set the percentage, the prices of the remaining rooms will automatically be adjusted accordingly.